It sounds strange, but a few years ago I got on a massive seed kick. Shortly before the 2016 Summer Olympics, I read that world-class swimmers swore by chia seeds to boost their energy and stamina. Not content to settle for just any old seeds, even those endorsed by Olympic athletes, I started looking into all sorts of superfood seeds I could add to my diet. One that kept popping up over and over again was flaxseed. Not only is it packed with nutritional benefits when eaten regularly, but it also contains massive beauty benefits when applied directly to the skin. Whether added to your daily oatmeal or used as a toning and tightening eye mask, flaxseed increases your vitality. Your skin loves flax seeds. When applied topically, the oils in flaxseed help nourish the skin, balance oil, improve the skin barrier, and provide much-needed nutrients that are often stripped by harsh cleansers and over-exfoliation. And the seeds themselves replenish vitamins and minerals in the skin, so it looks radiantly healthy. Here are a few ways applying flaxseed topically can improve skin health. Number 1. Acne. We know that acne is caused by inflammation, imbalanced hormones, and the plugging of skin cells in pores. Flax seeds are high in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that help curb inflammation in the skin. Second, flax is high in lignans, which have been shown to inhibit 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme involved in the conversion of testosterone to DHT. In short, flax seeds helps to balance the production of androgen hormones that can lead to acne. And third, essential fatty acids strengthen the skin's cell membranes, helping to lock moisture in the skin and make it less susceptible to hormonal fluctuations and excessive oil production. Number 2. Soothe skin irritation. Highly concentrated antioxidants found in flaxseed help protect skin against free radicals and UV rays. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and irritation and encourage skin cells to heal more quickly. Number 3. Soften fine lines. The same antioxidant properties that soothe inflammation and irritation can also soften the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Applying flaxseed gel, which occurs naturally when ground flax seeds are combined with water, or rubbing a few drops of flaxseed oil directly on skin, can help make skin appear fuller and tighter. And the fatty acids in flaxseed help to tone, tighten, firm and plump the skin back to a more youthful appearance. How to use flaxseed inside and out. A flaxseed gel eye mask softens fine lines and wrinkles, while a velvety vegan chocolate milk recipe encourages balanced hormone production, especially for women in their 40s. Prep time: 10 mins. Cook time: 0 mins. Total time: 10 mins. Equipment: blender for the chocolate milk recipe. Ingredients: chocolate milk with flax seeds and maca, 3 cups almond milk unsweetened, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon flax seeds freshly ground, 2 teaspoons maca powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons coconut oil, a half-ripe banana, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Flaxseed gel eye mask: 2 tablespoons flax seed, 3 tablespoons filtered water, 1 tablespoon rose water, a half teaspoon raw honey, 2 drops chamomile essential oil. Instructions: chocolate milk with flax seeds and maca. Add all the ingredients in the blender and process until creamy. Flaxseed gel eye mask. Combine all ingredients in a small bowl and stir well. Allow the mixture to soak for about 10 minutes. Over time, the flax seeds will form a somewhat thick gel-like substance. If you find that the gel has thickened a little too much, add a teaspoon of filtered water to thin it just enough to spread evenly over your skin. Apply the gel to under eye skin and allow to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. To remove, moisten mask with water and massage mask into your skin for 2 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Throw away any unused portion of eye mask. If you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trusted Center.